As you can see, this is very powerful information that the AI was able to compile in just a few seconds. But what if I wanted to go a little bit more specific? And so that's what I did. I asked the AI, give me a step-by-step plan to make $10,000 per month online in the next 90 days. I asked an AI, what's the best way to make money online? And the answer really shocked me. So over the past few days, there's been a lot of buzz and talk about this AI called ChatGPT. A lot of people are getting some mind-blowing answers. When you ask very specific questions, it gives you very specific answers. And some people think that this AI will change the world over the next few years, because honestly, I kind of have to agree after using this AI. And since I thought, well, my channel is all about making money online and building online businesses and using social media, might as well use the AI to find out what's the best way to really make money online. And some of the answers that I got actually shocked me, because you can go on Google and you can search for how to make money online and what's the best way to make money online, and you'll get like thousands of pages and videos on how to do that. But with this, it gave me a very specific answer, and I went more and more specific with my questions, and I got even better answers. We might not even need Google in the next few years, because this can really change the world. Imagine getting an answer to anything you want just like that. So the first question that I asked the AI is, what is the best legitimate way to make money online? So in less than 5 seconds, here's the answer that it gave me. There are many legitimate ways to make money online, and the best one for you will depend on skills, interests. So here's some options that you can include: selling products or services on a website or online marketplace such as Etsy or eBay, starting a blog, providing freelance services, doing freelance work on websites like Upwork or Fiverr, creating and selling online courses or ebooks on platforms like Udemy or Amazon. That's actually quite good, to be honest with you. So he gave me some good general advice on what are the best considered ways to make money online. And I would have to agree with all 5 of those, because I actually been able to make money with some of those. But I wanted to get a more specific answer, and I wanted to go a little bit deeper, because according to the AI, the more questions you ask, it can even do follow-ups, and it can provide more and more specific answer, and becomes even better answering those questions. So I asked, can you show me how to make $100 per day online? Start a blog or website and monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing. This will take time to build, but with consistent posting and a focus on a specific topic or niche, you could potentially earn money from your site through advertising and promoting products or services. That's actually good advice. Become a freelancer and offer your services online. If you have specific skills such as writing, editing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients online and earn money for each project you complete. Sites like Upwork and Freelancer.com can help you find clients and manage your workload. I actually have videos talking about this specific thing, showing you guys how you can make money as a freelancer. And that was one of the first ways that I started making money online, because it was so simple. You just offer your services, find clients, and you make money by offering your services. And start an e-commerce business and sell products online. Offer your services as a virtual assistant. You could offer your services on site like Upwork, or create your own website to promote your services and find clients. If you have knowledge or expertise in a specific topic, you could create an online course and sell it to others who are interested in learning. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy can help you create and sell your course. And with a good marketing strategy, you could potentially earn $100 per day or more from your course sales. This is mind-blowing, because it could take you basically days to find this information on Google or on YouTube. This is exactly what I would tell someone asking me, how do I sell my course? What's the best platform to sell my course? And the AI is not only telling me that I need to sell or create a course in a specific topic or niche, but it's telling me where to use it, where to post my course, and basically telling me that if I promote it, I could be making $100 per day. Overall, the key to making $100 per day using the internet is to find a way to offer value to others and to consistently promote and sell your products or services. It may take some time and effort to get started, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goal. So this is what I tell people basically every day in my comment section when they message me on Instagram asking me, okay, how long does it take to make $100 per day online? This is what I would tell someone, and the AI gave me this in less than 5 seconds. As you can see, this is very powerful information that the AI was able to compile in just a few seconds. But what if I wanted to go a little bit more specific? And so that's what I did. I asked the AI, give me a step-by-step plan to make $10,000 per month online in the next 90 days. That is very specific. While I'm not able to browse the internet, I can provide some general steps that you can take to potentially make $10,000 per month online in the next 90 days. However, please keep in mind that this is a challenging goal and there are no guarantees of success. Here are some steps you can take. So from the beginning, it's telling me, hey, listen, making $10,000 per month in 90 days is not as easy as some people make it sound. And I would highly agree. There's a lot of videos on YouTube and a lot of ads claiming that we're gonna help you make $10,000 per month in the next 90 days online. And honestly, it just takes a lot of work and dedication. And I know because before I made my first $10,000 month, I struggled for 4 years, or even I think it was like 4.5 years to be able to reach that goal of making $10,000 per month. So it's not something easy. It's supposed to take time. It's supposed to be a learning process for you. So let's explore what this AI said that I should do if I wanted to make $10,000 per month in the next 90 days. Identify a potential source of income. There are many ways to make money online, including selling products or services, creating and selling online courses, starting a blog or YouTube channel, and earning advertising revenue and more. Consider what skills and resources you have and what you enjoy doing to determine the best approach for you. So remember, in the question before, I asked for what's the best way to make $100 per day. It gave me very specific things that I could do, but now it's telling me you have to choose one of the ways that I recommended. And it just listed all the ways that I recommended in my previous question, which was freelancing, selling products online, affiliate marketing, starting a blog. So it's telling me you need to choose one and you need a plan. Create a plan and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. This will help you focus your efforts and track your progress. For example, you might set a goal to create and launch an online course in the next 30 days and to earn your first $1,000 in sales within the next 60 days. I have to agree with that. That is actually on point. Develop and create your product or service. This might involve creating a website or online platform, designing and creating your course, and writing blog posts, recording videos, and more. Be sure to focus on creating high quality, valuable content that will attract your target audience. It's funny because those are the steps that I followed to create my course, Facebook Income School. I had to create my sales video, my sales funnel. I had to basically do all the setup, and I did all of that in like maybe 3 weeks. It took me now to record the actual course. That took me a little bit longer. It took me like a month and a half to make all the videos and edit all the videos and all that. But basically, those steps, steps that the AI is telling me to follow, that's exactly what I did. Promote your product or service. Once you have something to offer, you need to let people know about it. This might involve creating and running online ads, promoting your content on social media. Be creative and persistent in your efforts to get the word out. Good advice. The key to success in any business is to provide value to your customers and to exceed their expectations. This might involve offering money-back guarantee, providing personal support, constantly improving and updating your product or service based on customer feedback. Track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. It is important to regularly monitor your progress and to adjust your plan as needed. This might involve changing your marketing tactics, revising your product or service, or setting new goals. So the answers that this AI gave me, it's definitely something that I would do. If I wanted to make $10,000 per month selling an online course, I would do exactly that. If I wanted to make $100 per day, I would pick one of those suggestions that the AI gave me, and I would actually stick to those for 3-6 months until I'm able to make $100 per day. And last but not least, I asked the AI, how do I get more people to watch my videos on YouTube to like and subscribe? Overall, the key to getting more likes and subscribers on YouTube is to create great content and actively promote your channel to reach a wider audience. I 100% agree. According to the AI, I have to promote my content. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week. And also don't forget to hit that little like button below. It's really gonna help me out with this video and hopefully help the AI as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.